All right, so on the top of the manifold, you're going to see a dial like this. Now, this dial, you either go counterclockwise to lower the amount of soap that you're going to be drawing out of your canister, or you go clockwise to maximize it. Now, typically, 90% of the time, everyone maxes this out. Counterclockwise for less foam, clockwise for maximum foam. All right, so typically when you're diluting your soap and you're putting it into your canister, most of the time you're going to want to be on maximum, so you want to go clockwise until it hits the end. And what's good about this manifold is that it gives you a lot of different revolutions, right? So basically it gives you a lot of different, the ability to be able to kind of fine tune it exactly where you want it to be. So if you want less foam and you want it to be a little bit more runny because it's drawing less soap, then you want to go counterclockwise until you get to your sweet spot. Most of the time, like me, I like foam. I'm going to go to the max, right? And a lot of people and a lot of detailers typically go to the max because they want the maximum amount of foam. So that's how that works. So basically, counterclockwise, less foam, clockwise, maximum foam. Hope that helps.